Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to allow only one item in cart from defined product categories in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. We are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this custom code you will add one product from both categories. Now you see either you can add product from ceramic or you can add product from mask category. You don't add product from both categories. Only one product can be added. Either it's from ceramic or mask. Now in code you see categories array. We added ceramics and mask. So you can add your category slug, can be name, slug or IDs. So you can add multiple categories. Now scroll down, you see custom message. Only one item is allowed from categories. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active. And then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. In custom code we added our two categories. If you want you can add more categories by using this format or pattern. So we added ceramic and mask. Now go to shop page. Now you see category ceramic and then you see mask. So open it, both categories. Now you see ceramic bar. So click on add to cart. Now you see view cart. So product is added. Again click on add to cart. Now you see message, only one item is allowed from ceramic and mask category. Now go to mask category. Now click on add to cart. Now you see message, only one item is allowed from ceramic and mask category. So you don't add product from both category, only one category. Now open cart page. Now you see we have three products, two from other categories but one from ceramic or mask category. Now remove this. Now ceramic bar remove, go to mask. Now click on add to cart. Now you see product has been added to your cart. So you can add only one product from both categories by using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.